Good morning to all of you. It's morning time and you can see a view of morning. I'm far away from my village and it's a raw road. It's a raw road you can see. I'm gonna zoom it and here you can see there are fields. It's too big. I was just walking and thought why shouldn't I capture all the moments and see here is the sun. Wonderful view. Wow. So let's move forward and see what comes in the path. Here I go. It's a raw road. Here I come sometime for walking purpose. It's a beautiful nature. You can see this side as well. It's a big field. Usually children play cricket here. I played also several times. And here you can see a pond. A big pond. Okay, let's go near it. Then I'll show you. See this road. Big puddles. Raw road. See, it's an orchard. Here there are many trees. See, and if you see this side, it's empty as well. And here you will see a pond. Wow. Upwards you will see a sun, and downwards it's a pond. It seems like circle pond. See, it's so beautiful view. And here you will get this side a big field, and here I'm moving forward. I'm able to reach near orchard. Yeah, I usually come here for playing cricket, but sometime I had to face my mood. So from that purpose, I come here and enjoy a lot. See views, wonderful, terrific views. Fully nature. You won't find anyone who can disturb you. Whatever you wanna do, you wanna think something deeply, come here and live your life. It's the place where you can find peace. Not there we get a big buildings. Here you see how good it is. Wow, incredible view. I'm enjoying a lot, guys, really. It's morning time and the kind of environment here is so incredible. There is no bound of happiness. Wow, I like to show you view of it. I wanna enter in this mango orchard. I like to show you something. Here you will get a lot of small mangoes here. You'd be able to see it here. You can see. Okay, now I'm moving this side. It's a kind of field also, and there this side is also a lot of space. I have played a lot of cricket here on this pitch. You must have seen it. I used to come here for playing cricket, but by this side there are trees. So sometimes what happens whenever we used to hit shots, it just can't across by tree. It just touched the tree and we were losing our 4 and 6 size. Here you will get trees here also. I like to this side. After this field my village comes. Here you can see. Wow, this is totally incredible, magnificent, outstanding. Here you will see on this beach I used to play cricket. Now moving towards here. See, 2 years ago on this space there used to a tree, but now not. Trees are cut down by people. There used to a lot of tree here, but not now. I'm unable to get it. I'm coming towards Pound here. I'd like to show you by nearly. See, guys, wow, what a nature. I love to spend my time here. Nature level, and what I get here, I'm unable to get anywhere else. It's magnificent, really. Wow, what a view. Outstanding, guys, really. I'm enchanted, really. See, fully nature view. Whenever I come here, I just forget all the things and I just feel peace, and I just lost somewhere else. I don't know. See, wow, so incredible. There are a lot of. It's all about today vlog. I'll meet you soon. I'll come with another excellent vlog. So actually there is no space in my phone, so I'm unable to shoot it more, but next time I'll come with another video. So have a great day, and I hope like you must have enjoyed this vlog as well.